Hello and welcome back to another episode in our Executive Function series. Today we will be discussing sustained attention. Sustained attention is the capacity to maintain attention to a situation or a task in spite of distractibility, fatigue, or boredom. In other words, this is your brain's ability to stay with something even when it's not exciting or fun or urgent. Sometimes for the ADHD brains, this can definitely be difficult. We can focus so intensely when we're interested, maybe hyperfocus even on like video games. But when we're not so excited about something like laundry, paperwork, emails, paying bills, our brain kind of checks out and it's hard for us to have that sustained attention. This is not about willpower. It's about dopamine. With ADHD, the part of the brain responsible for keeping attention activated runs out of steam quickly. We crave novelty and stimulation, so anything that feels repetitive, slow, or unstimulating feels almost physically painful. Anything that we experience can quickly turn into torture. This shows up as zoning out mid-conversation, starting tasks and never finishing, needing music or background noise just to focus, reading the same line over and over, taking forever to do something simple. But here's the great news. The executive function skill of sustained attention can be improved by learning the right strategies that work for you. Try attention sprints. This is where you set a timer for maybe 20 minutes. Here you work in a focused time. Then you pause when those 20 minutes are up, you stretch, maybe you hydrate and you move a little bit, and then you can repeat it again. This is how you're training your brain to build endurance gently. And remember, sustained attention isn't about grinding nonstop. It's about knowing your limits and creating structure that supports your energy. In our next episode, we'll talk about task initiation, how to start when starting feels impossible. Thanks for watching.